So today I'm at Wellington International Airport and it's time for a lift tour. So first we start off at the existing car park lift, which is a Schindler M series hydraulic from 1999. This is one of the original lifts to the airport and it's quite grotty, but it has a nice cab though. Yeah, anyways, let's ride it. The existing car park lift at Wellington Airport. It's actually original. Schindler M series hydraulic. Not bad interior for a car park. But it is grotty though. Go ground. Capacity 36 persons, 2,500 kgs. Back to one. We'll get a chime down here, shall we? Just takes a while to log in. Let's do that again. Shall I? Doesn't work anymore, I don't think. Tiling, ceiling, cab. It sounds nice going up though. It looks quick, but it stupidly takes a while. Look at that. It takes ages. And that's it. Now to the 2018 car park, which has some Schindler 5500s. For some reason they're a bit slow. They only go 1 meter a second instead of 1.6 meters per second. These are 10 floors and yeah, these have some of the wrong indicators. Anyways, let's ride them. The new car park list at Wellington Airport for 2018. Schindler 5500s. Oh, there's a new security camera. Got to 8. They're quite slow for 5500s though.
Floor 1.
Oh, it's stopping.
Door opening.
Are you going up?
Yep.
Elevator is going up. Door closing. Floor 7. Door opening. Elevator is going up. Door closing.
7's orange. After this we'll go down to 1, and that's where I want to be.
Floor 8. Door opening.
1,450 kg.
Elevator is going down.
19 persons. They got the correct linear indicators on the outside.
Door closing.
Tiling, ceiling, cab. There's your fixtures. Speakers are here. I want to get the voice really loud.
Floor 1. Door opening.
That's it. Now to the main terminal lift in the airport, which used to be a Schindler M2's hydraulic. Then it was replaced in 2020 with a Schindler 5500. Slightly faster and bigger. Let's look at the old lift first.
Your bags will be coming out from bag belt 2. Those passengers that arrive from Sydney, your bags will be coming on bag belt 2.
interior. I'm holding Coburn.
Now let's look at the new lift, what it looks like. Is the main lift, Wellington Airport. It used to be a Schindler M-series hydraulic, but it's been modernized, replaced.
Just so done. Just first fall first, mate. Okay. Where are you going to today?
Tiring, ceiling, cab. We finally got the lift to ourselves. 2,500 kgs, 33 persons. Slightly bigger than the old. There are your fixtures. It used to have buttons on two sides, but now only motion to one. And that's it. Now to the Air New Zealand Lounge, which has a Schindler 3300 from 2016. Let's ride it. This is the New Zealand Lounge. It's a Schindler 3300. Go to level 2. The indicator's not that good. 1,000 kgs, 13 persons.
Floor 2.
We'll go down to 0. It says staff only, but it's actually a back exit. Tiling, ceiling, cab. Period clear.
1.
Now to the list from the check-in to the hotel, which are some Schindler 5500s. The one on the left is a service lift, and the one on the right is a public lift to the hotel. They both have different interiors because I managed to win the service lift on the left. And they're quite big. 0's locked because it's a dockaway, which is staff only anyway, so let's ride these lifts. These are some more lifts at the ridges. They go to the check-in at the airport. That is the service lift. Here's the one we want to ride.
Lift is going down. Door closing.
0 staff only, so we can't go down there. It's a Schindler 5500 with a UK voice, full UK voice.
Floor 1. Door opening.
Wait, does it?
Door closing.
I managed to ride the service lift on it.
Floor 2,
600
door
kgs.
opening.
Now to the side lift at Bridges Wellington Airport Hotel, which is a Schindler 3300 that goes from 3 floors. It's a really bad button setup because on the it opens on the buttons are where the door on that floor opens. Yeah. So yeah, anyways, let's ride this lift. Here's the sign lift at Bridges Wellington Airport. Schindler 3300. I'll only take 4 on mine because my battery's low. Capacity 1000 kgs, 13 person. Here we are at 2.
Floor 2.
And that will be not it yet.
Floor 2.
And that will be it. Turns out I have enough battery to take another ride on this one. Tiling, ceiling, cab. Voice box.
Floor 0.
I hate the button setup though. Look, 0 and 2.
Floor 0.
And the one button is there. Really stupid. What's up here? Just the airport. Just an exit to the airport. We'll take it to 1. The door close button is broken there.
Floor 1. Floor 1.
They have new beeps on this one, these buttons though. They used to have a different pitch beep. There's the multi-story car park, and that will be it. Now to list in the actual hotel, which are some more Schindler 3300s. These lifts are weird for 2 reasons. You know how they have the swipe card thing? It doesn't work, they're unlocked, and the floors are O2, O3, O4, O5, which is absolutely stupid setup. Anyways, let's ride them. Here are the main lifts at Ridges, Wellington Airport. Schindler 3300s. Looks like it's gonna be this. Weird, 5 is unlocked. I don't know why. That's weird. Capacity 1000 kgs, 13 persons. These are the Asian voice.
Floor 5. Floor 5.
These buttons are a bit broken. Tiling, ceiling, cab. Can you see me now? No, just my hand. And that's it.
Floor 2. Floor 2.
I'm pretty sure that's all the lists everyone has filmed before. But there's one at the police station. People have done short clips and photos of them, but didn't actually ride them. I mean, because, yeah, they didn't want to get in trouble. And this one is another Schindler MC's hydraulic that has been replaced with a 5500. And also, yeah, sadly I don't have any old photos of this list. Anyways, let's ride it. Here's the lift at the police station in Wellington Airport. Schindler 5500. Here we are ground. There's a charm on this thing. That noise is the keys. I'm going to use them for the hotel because my dad works there. Tiling, ceiling, cab. Capacity 600 kgs, 17 persons. And that will be it. Now to the hotel service lift, which no one has filmed. I was allowed to film it because my dad works at this hotel, so don't try to ride it if you come here. So you go through this door between the guest lifts and the side lift, and it says private on it, and that's where the lift is. It's another Schindler 3300, and anyways, let's ride it. Here is the service lift at Bridges Wellington Airport. It's a Schindler 3300. Go to 5. Okay, I'll use this thing here. Oh, it's this side. We're going, it just doesn't light up. Capacity, it doesn't say. 1125 kg. 15 persons.
4, 5.
Yup, it's just burned out. Down to 2, which is the kitchen. Tiling, ceiling, cab. I have to be very quick because my battery is getting low. Fixtures, and that's it.
4, 2.